Hi, greetings from Khalid. Welcome to Fiber Crest Tutorials channel. Today I'll show you how to order on Fiverr. In this tutorial, I will cover step-by-step process on how to place order on Fiverr marketplace. Showing right away, stay tuned. Welcome back to the tutorial. To place order on Fiverr, at first you should have a Fiverr account. If you need to know how to have a Fiverr account, you can check the link below this video after watching this tutorial. I already have a buyer account, so I am showing you now how to order on Fiverr. Let's dive in. Let me sign in before placing the order. You need to find out the gig or service you need. I am looking for logo design service, so write a few words for the service you need in the search box. I am writing for logo design. It will display the service related gigs you are looking for so that you can place your order. I can also filter more perfect gigs for me by choosing delivery time, budget, seller details, etc. Let me check the details on this gig. There are 3 package variations for this gig: basic, standard and premium, with different pricing and features. So check the package details. I am going to order the basic package now. To order, you can click on continue. Otherwise, if you have any queries before order, you can click on contact me to send message to the seller. You can even ask for a custom order offer to the seller. If you need to know how to request or provide a custom order offer, you can check the link below this video after watching the tutorial. So let me click on continue to order. It displays the services I am going to avail for this gig once I purchase it. So for purchase, click on continue. Now I need to provide my payment information, that is, how I am going to pay to the seller. You can pay with PayPal, credit card, etc. I am going to pay with my credit card, so providing credit card information here. After finishing correct credit card information, press confirm and pay. Pretty cool. My purchase is successful. At this point, you will get an invoice through email also. So once your payment is successful, you can submit your order requirements asked by the seller to start the work here. Now submitting the requirements asked by the seller in text and attachment. Sometimes you can skip submitting requirements also, just click remind me later. I have finished everything I want for this order, so clicking start order. Once you click start order, seller will be notified to start work. So my order is now in the works. Under activity tab, you can see the conversation you had with the seller. Under details tab, it shows activity milestones on the gig. You can see your provided requirement details here also. In the right upper side, you can get your orders list. Let me make a fresh login. Let me log out and then log in again. If you make a fresh login, you will get your orders in a list. In the right upper side, you can get your orders list. So selecting on my order, it displays all of my order details. So seller is working on the order. Once finished, seller can deliver the order deliverables here under delivery tab. If you need to know how to request or provide a custom order offer, you can check the link below this video. Therefore, in this tutorial, I have covered a complete step-by-step process on how to place an order in Fiverr, and hope that through following the lesson, you already have come to know how to order on Fiverr as well as how to make payment for Fiverr order. Hope that you enjoy the video. For more videos like this, make sure to subscribe this channel and get in touch with Fiber Crest for more awesome upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.